Greetings and welcome back to my channel, Treichabakes. In my bowl I've got 185 ml of plain oil, which can be vegetable or sunflower, to which I'm adding 300 grams of white granulated sugar. If you do want your cupcakes a little bit more sweeter, then you can maybe add 350 grams of granulated sugar. Now I'm adding 2 eggs and I'm gonna give everything a good mix until all the ingredients are combined. I'm now going to add 125 ml of water mixed with 125 ml of plain Greek yogurt. You could potentially use milk instead of water, or you could even use buttermilk. However, if you're using buttermilk, then don't dilute with water or milk. I'm now going to add 20 grams of red food coloring paste. Ideally, you want to use a red food coloring paste or a gel, as a liquid food coloring will alter the consistency and not make the recipe turn out as great. I'm now adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then I'm just going to stir that in. In a separate bowl, I've got 250 grams of plain white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Make sure it's the baking kind. I'm now going to add 125 ml of hot water. You could also use coffee if you wanted to, which just helps to bring out the chocolate taste. And all that's left to do now is to combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, and we're going to do that in about 3 separate additions.
It's hard to get you to believe me, but I just want you to know that if you're ever feeling down or depressed, and you just feel like everything's wrong with your life and you want it to stop, just know that there are people there for you, whether you're aware of it or not. It's a really hard time for you, I promise you. It just takes time and a little bit of effort. I know you won't believe me at first.
Clean up time!
Have a little bit of faith and a little bit of hope. If you're listening to this, just know that I believe in you. You can do it.
Be sure to tap your cupcake pan before putting in the oven, otherwise you'll end up with lopsided cupcakes like Mummy.
To into a bowl with 400 grams of full fat cream cheese. I'm adding 300 ml of double cream. I'm also going to sift in 65 grams of icing sugar, and that's just to make sure that we create a smooth cream cheese frosting for our red velvet cupcakes. I'm gonna use the hand mixer to give it all a good mix, but be very careful not to over mix it, as this can cause the icing to separate. This is perfect, as it's stable enough to hold a peak, which makes it perfect for icing.
But I said I'm, so I didn't say you're. So.
Just finish off this. I think that's it, so right? I'm gonna come back and then take a picture of this
In the carrier. She put them together and put toothpicks in there.
Give us a quick mix with a little spatula. Yeah, just over half a cup of Greek. What is it? Greek yogurt. Jesus, what is going on? And another half.
Your electric mixer?
No, you don't have to. This is such a quick recipe. I'm nearly done.
And you just started.
I know.
This is such a quick recipe. I'm nearly done.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
So, okay. So.
Just booby.
And I'm just gonna scrape down the bone and the side just to get all moisten combined. Now it's filled a little cupcake.
Please. I really hope this doesn't fall. Oop, I accidentally zoomed in.
I'm probably hold it.
Move
over. Move over. You can't come in. You can't come in. Oh, we tight.
Oh, zoom into the oven. Just a lonely cupcake.
Dun, dun, dun. Why are we here? Just to suffer. Don't know.
Wow.
There's no space. I can't even.
Mum, you know when you were doing the Abercrombie video?
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Until next time, blessings.